Hey guys, today I will be both introducing and comparing card holders with straps from two different brands, one from Sinjimoru and one from Ringke. I'm using iPhone 6s Plus, and Sinjimoru is a good fit right smack dab in the middle of your phone, though it does look like a little dwarf from the Plus. The Ringke, on the other hand, it looks really good with the Plus. It is definitely more of a statement piece, and the dark color is nicely accentuated by the natural gold of the phone. Starting with Sinjimoru holder, because the adhesive on the back of the whole thing, we have to be careful not to get any oils or dust on it. Also, it's a little hard to get it in on the right spot in one go. I want to make sure it's on the straight at least. It doesn't seem to be peeling off when I pull the band, and the band snaps right back in place too. The pouch portion is soft and stretch polyester. The protruding width is very minimal, maybe a couple of centimeters. It definitely doesn't add any weight or bulk to your phone. Sinjimoru states their case can hold at most 10 cards, and I'm going to be fitting 8 cards. Maybe it's because this pouch is about the width and length of a credit card, but it takes some aiming to get it in there. Also, the fabric kind of gets sucked in after a few cards. This part is a little ugly. Because the pouch has been stretched out, it creates a little divot in the center of the fabric. And while my cards might not fall out right now, there isn't stopper of any sword or silicone holder that will really ensure that I won't lose my card after this band or pouch loosens up. The strap is still strong, and I can hold my phone and all my cards in one hand. The elasticity of the strap and the pouch is not bad either. Moving on to Ringke Flip, it has a cover and is double-sided. The cloth on the outside feels a bit like a linen fabric. The band is also nice and stretchy, but there is a give to it, so it snaps right back in place. There are 2 separate card slots when you open it up. I think with the cover you won't have any worries of the cards falling out and getting lost. Your description says you can fit up to 5 cards here, but let's see if we can test those limits. I'm putting total of 8 cards, 4 in one side and 4 in the other. Even close, you can tell it's not incredibly bulky looking. So that was my comparison between the Sinjimoru and Ringke strip card holders. Both cases did their job, but ultimately I do like added protection that the Ringke gives with this cover. I feel like I might have to worry about losing my cards later with the Sinjimoru after the fabric stretches out. The way the Ringke fits the iPhone 6s Plus is also aesthetically pleasing and just fits my general needs a lot more. Thanks for watching.